2021 Kia Forte customer complaint: screeching sound when rolling up the passenger or the driver's rear window. Don't make any noise going down, but it does coming up. And I see right down in here, this little flap of material is pointing down. I think if I can get that up, it will not be making that noise anymore. Getting tight over there. There we go. Now let's see what it does. Look at that. There you go. It flopped back down. I heard it flop back down. Down in there is two flaps of this, and I just cut them out, cut both of them out, and now the noise is gone. So I will tell the customer, you can just leave them cut out, or you can buy that piece and put it in. Either way, the noise is gone. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.